Hello, Victor here from Motormatching Crewe, and I am delighted to be showing you around this mini hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport. Finishing sleek grey, this sporty and iconic hatchback is powered by 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 136 PS and is paired with precise manual transmission for engaging and responsive driving experience. The John Cooper Works Aerodynamic kit, black roof and mirror caps, and 17-inch track spoke alloy wheels in black give this Mini a bold and aggressive stance. The LED headlights with daytime running lights ensure excellent visibility, while the chrome-trimmed radiator grille completes the signature Mini look. On the back, the LED taillights with Union Jack design pay tribute to Mini's British heritage. The sporty race spoiler and chrome exhaust finisher add to the dynamic appearance, while the rear parking sensors and reversing camera provide added convenience when maneuvering. The practical boot offers plenty of space for all your daily needs or perhaps a weekly shop, while the split folding rear seats in 60/40 configuration provide additional flexibility. Inside, the rear passengers benefit from comfortable seating with ISOFIX child seat anchor points, while Comfort Pack enhances overall convenience with added practicality. Inside the front cabin, the John Cooper Works sport seats finished in Dinamica-Cloth carbon black upholstery provide excellent support. The John Cooper Works leather steering wheel adds a premium feel, while the hazy grey interior service trim completes the sporty atmosphere. The steering wheel features controls for effortless access to audio settings, cruise control and voice commands. Additionally, the driver display behind provides key driving information including speed, fuel efficiency and trip data, ensuring seamless and connected driving experience. The dual-zone climate control system allows both driver and passenger to set individual temperature preferences, enhancing their comfort. The 6.5 Mini Connected Infotainment system is packed with features, including Mini Connected, which provides access to vehicle data, online services, and digital connectivity. My Mini displays key vehicle settings, including fuel efficiency, driving modes, and personalization options. Communication seamlessly integrates Bluetooth, hands-free calling, and smartphone connectivity. There is also access to media and radio, featuring DAB, digital radio, FM and AM frequencies, and Bluetooth streaming for a premium listening experience. While the rear sensors provide clear visual guide, making parking totally effortless. This has been a presentation of the Mini Hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.